Starting a publishing company might seem like a daunting task, but it can be an exciting journey. First things first, you need a clear vision. Ask yourself, what type of books do you want to publish? Fiction, nonfiction, maybe a bit of both. Identifying your niche will help you focus your efforts and attract the right audience. Next, give your company a name. Pick something that reflects what your publishing house stands for. Make sure it's unique and memorable. Check availability, both as a business name and as a domain, because you'll want a strong online presence. Once you've got a name, it's time to make it official. Register your business, and that's where legalregistration.com can lend a hand. We make the paperwork a breeze, so you can focus on building your brand. Now let's talk about your team. You might start solo, but eventually you'll need editors, designers, and marketing experts. Start building relationships with freelancers or other professionals who can fill these roles. They're crucial in turning a manuscript into a polished book. As you grow, consider hiring full-time staff or bringing on additional support for the long term. This can help streamline your operations and allow you to scale your business effectively. Don't forget about the money side of things. You'll need a solid business plan to outline your budget and financial goals. Consider costs like printing, distribution, and marketing, and think about how you'll price your books to make a profit. As your business expands, you may also want to explore additional revenue streams, such as audiobook production or foreign rights sales. Diversifying your offerings can help boost your revenue and reach a wider audience. Speaking of books, let's talk about printing. Decide whether you want to go the traditional route with physical books or explore digital publishing. Ebooks are increasingly popular and can save on printing costs, but there's nothing quite like holding a physical book in your hands. Don't forget about the importance of high-quality cover design and formatting. A visually appealing book is more likely to catch the eye of potential readers and increase sales. Distribution is another key factor. How will readers find your books? You could partner with distributors, approach local bookstores, or use online platforms like Amazon. Each option has its pros and cons, so weigh them carefully. Marketing is the final piece of the puzzle. You'll need to get the word out about your books. Use social media, attend book fairs, and consider running promotions. Engaging with your audience is essential for building a loyal reader base. And there you have it. Starting a publishing company is a big step, but with the right plan and support, it's absolutely achievable. If you're ready to take the plunge, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Happy publishing.